Warming up. I can't hear you guys. The louder you guys get, the crazy she's gonna do. So let's hear some noise. I don't hear anything. Can we train you? Get somebody else?
Go flip!
Motivate him. He's not very motivated right now. Can you get some loud motivation? Hand there. Dustin, do you have any more in you, or do I need to get some more? Like that last trick you saw? When it gets louder, it might see something even crazier. Do you have anything else? Okay, guys, like that last trick, you're going to get louder and louder, and you get crazier. Oh, look at that 360. You didn't like that? That was disappointing to you?
He looks like Julian.
Alright,
kind of a little bit to the side.
Well, right now we have the
doesn't he? I'm done here.
Norman coming out here showing you guys his round number 1. So guys, let's start him up. Come on, oh man. Not holding back.
Where'd he go?
Oh, listen.
Oh, there he is.
A little bumpy, so I'm gonna fix it real quick. You guys want to see a couple more from Caleb?
Yeah.
Alright, well guys, like I said, it's all up to you what we do out here today, because these riders feed off your energy. So the louder you guys get, the better the tricks are going to be. Here we go. Let's bring them on in with some encouragement.
Okay.
Throwing out a little combination for you guys. No footer to X up. 2 tricks in 1. What do you guys think about Caleb Norman out here today? Alright. Coming all the way from Vista, California. 19 years old and getting paid to ride a bike. Here we go, guys. Caleb Norman, let's fire him up! Oh, a little double pump. I don't know. Should we let him slide with that one? I don't know. Caleb, you want a rebate? Should we give him a rebate? Alright, guys. Alright, Caleb. I have a feeling that he was going to do something pretty cool here. Coming around with this high five. Alright, guys. Caleb's got a couple more for you. Here we go. Let's fire him up, guys. It's all up to you guys. Taking the handlebars, tucking them into his lap. Let's get something good for Caleb. Let's get Caleb's favorite song on.
I like that song.
How's the miss? Alright guys, I think Caleb's got one more. You guys want to see one more?
Hey, don't say.
Round number 1. This is just round number 1, guys. Let's fire him up. Here we go.
Yeah.
Coming on in. He's thinking something. The rest is so weird. Throwing the legs way to the side. One more time.